Welcome to the Dream Factory & Co. Come on inside. Just joking, that's super cheesy. No, but we appreciate you joining us here at the Dream Factory & Co. What is our mission, Julia?
Our mission is to give people the tools and the resources to get unstuck and completely clear about what they want most so that they can chase the dreams on the inside of them. And we do this by helping you reprogram your thoughts and your beliefs with a community that supports and challenges you. Bottom line, we develop dreamers, which means, what does it mean to be a dreamer?
The simplest way I can put it is to dream into action. Most of the time, you don't even allow yourself to think about what do I want out of this life. Second is to take massive action. Eminem said it best. You get one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you've ever wanted. Would you capture it? That's what the Dream Factory in a nutshell is.
I love it. Oh my gosh. So who is this for? This is for anyone that you're sitting there right now going, is there something more? You know, you're going, I want to take my shot, Eminem. I want my shot. Will I take it? Yes. Whether you're in a job that's okay or fine, whether you're wondering what's in you and what is possible in this lifetime, no matter how young you are or how old you are, this is for you if you want to know what your dreams are and you want to unapologetically chase your dreams. So why now?
Why not now? For real though, why not now? Stop delaying, stop procrastinating, and live out the dreams and the desires that you have in your heart. Get connected to the dreamfactoryandco.com. Get some awesome swag. Get connected. We have online 6-week course. We have a 26-day challenge. We have a Master Your Mind group.
We have a podcast.
We have a podcast, a YouTube channel. Just get started. Get connected. Join us on this adventure of living out your dreams.
Dream on, baby.